Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how you can use fake camera on your Omegle. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step. So let's get on it. So if you want to use fake camera on your Omegle, you can go ahead and just follow the steps right here. So the app that I am going to use in order for me to be able to do that is the OBS. So you can go ahead and download this on your device. So you can just search it on any browser that you have and then just install any safe link from any link right there. Make sure that it is the legit one. So after downloading the OBS, you'll need to open it and you will be able to see this window right here. So as for an example, so I have OBS right here. So as you can see, I am also currently recording with OBS. So I'm just going to guide you through it using the OBS. So what you need to do is go to the scene section on your OBS, and then you can go ahead and click the add scene, or it is this plus icon right there, and then you can go ahead and name this as Omegle or whatever you want. And then after that, you can go ahead and okay. So I'm just going to go back in the scene 2 right here for me to be able to show you. So as for example, you are here on your Omegle, so in the Omegle section. So what you'll need to do is to click onto this Omegle section right here, and after clicking on that, go to the resources, and in these resources, what you'll need to do is to add the display capture. So as you can see here, as for example, I have this display capture. So to add this as a resource says in here, what you'll need to do is to click again this plus button and then add the display capture, and then you can go ahead and click onto that and then okay. So for it to be clean, I'm just going to remove this first right here, this resources, just like that. Then after doing so, go to your controls, or after adding the display capture right here, go to the controls, and then you'll need to click onto this start virtual camera. So click onto that, and after doing so, you can now exit from your OBS and then go to any browser that you have or you're currently using. So in here, first, before going to the Omegle, click first these three dots right here on the bottom right corner, or the upper right corner rather, of your screen, and then go to your settings. And then here, go to your privacy and security, and then go to the site settings, and then just scroll down until you see this camera section and just click onto that. And as you can see right here, there's this window or this section right here. So just make sure that this is set in OBS virtual camera. So after doing so, you can go ahead and exit from here. So exit that website, and now you can already start your Omegle. So you can go ahead and click onto this and then check this box right here, and then after that, you will be able to share fake or use fake camera on your Omegle. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.